Windows and File Management. Windows and File Management. Windows is a type of an operating system which allows us to work on the computers. Windows is a type of software which can be categorized as the application software as well as a system software. The latest version of Windows is Windows 10. The main parts of the Windows are desktop. The desktop is the main screen area that you see after you turn on your computer and log on to the Windows. Taskbar. The taskbar sits at the bottom of your screen. It shows you which programs are running and allows you to switch between them. It also contains the Start button. Sidebar. On the side of the screen, sidebar contains small programs called gadgets. The main work of Windows software is to perform applications which are related to the computer system as well as the user. What is a window screen? Window is a rectangular area on the desktop which usually contains a number of standard parts. Desktop icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, programs, and other items. When you start Windows for the first time, you'll see at least one icon on your desktop, the recycle bin. Some examples of desktop icons are shown here. Recycle bin, control panel, network, folder, this PC. Double-clicking a desktop icon starts or opens the item it represents. For example, double-clicking the Internet Explorer icon starts Internet Explorer. Adding a shortcut to the desktop. Locate the item that you want to create a shortcut for. Right-click the item. Click Send to. And then click Desktop. Create shortcut. The shortcut icon appears on your desktop. Windows 10 has this screen. Icons. Wallpaper. Shortcut. Start button. Search box. Open applications. Notification area. Using a mouse around the window. Mouse is a pointing device. You can use it to point the things on the computer screen. Mouse operations. Moves the mouse pointer or cursor on the screen. Click. Press a mouse button and release it. Usually the left button. Double-click. Press the right mouse button of the mouse twice quickly. Dragging and dropping. Hold the left mouse button and keep it pressed while moving the mouse, called dragging. Releasing the button after dragging is called dropping. Scroll. Rolling the wheel that mouse has will move the document up and down in the current window. Various important terms of Windows. File. Each document, whether it is a plain text file or a letter in WordPad or music or the directions for a program, is called a file. Folder. Files are grouped together in a folder. folders are also called directories. Disk or drive. Technically, a disk is a circular object in which you can store your files, and a drive is the device that reads from and writes to storage media, including disks. Maximizing and minimizing window. You can control or resize the location of a window with title bar buttons by using mouse. Shutting down windows. Follow the steps to shut down the computer. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on Power button. Step 3. Click on Shut down button. Features of Windows. It provides a user-friendly environment. It supports multimedia system. It provides an easy way of working on the computer. This PC. When you click on the This PC icon, it shows all the contents of the system. It tells about various files, folders, hard disk drives, and the removable storage devices. Control panel. It is the command panel of the computer which controls all the working of the computer. It can also control the various settings and adding or deleting new software from the computer. Recycle bin. It is a trash can of the computer where all the files and folders are placed after deleting. There is always a provision of restoring the things once sent in this bin. All the deleted items will remain in the recycle bin until you empty the bin. Start button. The Start button on the desktop allows various features further. It is actually a doorway to all the features of the Windows operations. It has these sub-items such as Network, File Explorer, Power, All Apps, Search Box, Task View, Exploring a file or folder. You can explore a file or folder in Windows 10 easily. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on File Explorer. Step 3. Now, find the file or folder that you want to open and then double-click on it. Steps of saving a file. Once you have worked in any software like Paint or WordPad, you can save it for the future use also. If you want to save your file in any folder or drives in the computer, then take these steps. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Click on Save. Step 3. Select the disk or folder where you want to save your file. For example, we can select Desktop. Step 4. Give a specific name to your file so that you can identify it. For example, we can name it as Hand Drawing. Step 5. Then, click on the Save button. Thus, your file will be saved in the computer and you can open and use it next time.